Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Felita Daniely, independent sales leader and beauty influencer with Avon. I am coming out to you today. Wanted to share some information with you to help you grow your Avon business. Okay, now before we get into this video, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and click on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload new content. Okay. All right. So with that being said, let's get into the video. All right. So the purpose for me recording this video is because I have had several people reach out to me and ask me, how do you record the videos how do you record videos of the brochure? Well, you have to use a screen recording software in order to do so. Okay. Now, the screen recording software that I use is presented right here before you. You see here, it says ScreenPal. This is what I use. I have used ScreenPal for the past 4 or 5 years because when I first started doing videos, I was totally clueless as to how to edit videos. I found it extremely complicated. But this software is so simple to use that even beginners can use this and still create very good quality videos. Okay. All right. So it is absolutely free to use. Okay. And you can edit your videos. You can use any type of screen recording you want to do. This is what you'll use. Now, unfortunately, I cannot give you a demonstration because I'm recording on the software. The only thing that I can do is toggle through and show you the different screens. Okay. Now, this is all I do when I'm recording the brochures. So if you want to record a brochure for your customers or just record a brochure in the video form to use on social media, this is all you need to do. Okay. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do is just go directly to your Avon website. And when you go to your website, you want to click right here where it says digital brochure. Okay. All right. So when you click on digital brochure, all you want to do is when you're inside the screen recording software, you want to just, and unfortunately, I can't show you how to do it again because I'm using the software here. All you want to do is just position the screen recording to around the actual brochure. Now, when you're flipping through the brochure here, let me see if I can pull this open a little bit more. So when you have to make sure that you have enough room in here because when you open up the brochure, you're going to need a little bit more additional space when it comes to recording. So you don't want to make the screen recorder just to fit this brochure size here. You want to make sure that you have enough room to fit this entire circumference here around the 2 pages because this is what you're going to be recording. So all you do is when you're recording, all you want to do is just go to your page and click on the digital brochure just like I did. You're going to turn on the screen recording software and then you're just going to click this right here. You want the recording to be inside this area here, inside the area of the brochure. You don't have to, it's not necessary to use this because you don't want them to see in the background you constantly doing this right here, clicking. Okay. So you want to make sure that the screen area is only inside this area. Okay. So you're in the background doing this right here. And that's all you're doing to record the actual video itself. Okay. Now, if you're interested in adding audio, inside ScreenPal, they do have some audio in which you can use that will go along with, your recording. I have had issues in the past when I would record it using ScreenPal's audio, but I would get a strike on my channel. And a lot of times the strikes are not always, they won't tell you to necessarily take them down, and it doesn't necessarily go against your channel, but I personally just don't like strikes against my channel at all. So what I normally do is just record the video of the brochure just like this. Then I upload the video inside my YouTube channel. And then I go into YouTube's editor and add YouTube's audio. The reason why I do that is because YouTube does have a selection of music that you can use on your videos where you won't get any type of copyright strikes at all. We have a lot of copyright laws here in the US, and you cannot use other people's music. You can only use the music that's basically free and open to the public. Okay, so it has to be open in the public domain in order for you to use that particular music. Okay, so just understand we have a lot of copyright laws. So if you don't want to use the audio inside the ScreenPal software, just know when you upload to YouTube, you can use YouTube's. Okay, now I don't know how this actually works on using the cell phone, because I personally do everything from my desktop. I use my desktop because it helps me to be able to see better. I can't see everything. Using the cell phone is just, the wording is just too small. But some people are really, really good with editing and all of that stuff on a cell phone. I'm just not that person. Okay, I do everything on my desktop or either on my laptop, because I do need to enlarge everything so that I view and visualize what I'm doing, and I know exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so again, the best software to use is ScreenPal. Okay, and all you need to do is go right here to this website, www.screenpal.com, and sign up for a free account. Okay, and again, you can upgrade at a later time. When you upgrade, you do have a lot more features that you can use outside of the free version. But if you are just getting started with video recording, this is what I would recommend. Okay, all right, so I hope that this helped you. I hope that you found value in this video, and if you did find value in this video, please give me a thumbs up. You know, it always helps the algorithms. Something about YouTube, it's very challenging on YouTube, and if you don't get the likes and if you don't get the comments, they won't put you out there. So I kindly ask that you reciprocate back to me. I'm sharing information with you, and all I ask is that you reciprocate back to me by giving me a like, sharing this video, or making a comment below. Okay, so if you have any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. And please also understand that if I don't always respond to you immediately, it's because I don't always get notified when I have a comment on a video. I literally have to log into YouTube and go to the actual videos, or either go into my editing area of my videos to see my comments. So sometimes if you see me responding at a much later time, that's because I'm just not being notified by YouTube. So I have to figure out how that actually works. Okay. All right. So again, thank you so much for your time today. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed. Okay. All right. So until the next time, you take care, take charge, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.